Hi, it's Wendy Ken here. Welcome back to next part of my summer special. Let's be playing something different. This is SpongeBob Plug and Play I had. I'm sending off for each of the levels and stuff. Even though I already beat these. This one I used to jump over hurdles. Oh jeez, screwed up fire. Even if you end up messing up, it does that time. And I got first place in that somehow. Okay, this one, I'm okay. I just gotta hit the patty, like volleyball or something. Just try to hit the most times. Jeez. Jeez. I am good at this one though. Third. The heck? Okay, this one I like, but I hate different difficulties. Just like put 10 on there. Yeah, let's press A. I thought I have to go over there. Boom. Boom. I do like this one, but once you get to different difficulties, it's impossible. Yeah, maybe screw up. It just switches. I'm not gonna be able to get this last one. Not the last one, but I still got first on that. I'm just gonna do a bunch of these. Okay, this one I hate the most because I'm not good at timing. This is probably my least favorite one. I think my least favorite is probably the one with the rings, which one's easy to wear. I'm pressing right and stuff. I'm not sure if there's a timer. Forward. So one of my 2 coins. And this is another one I don't like at all. It's pretty much just like similar to that Dance Dance Revolution, the game called Penguin. Dance Dance game, which I hate. No Card Surfer's worse. So that I'm not good at it. Jeez. Guys are that close in the middle. I'm probably on the easiest difficulty too, so few of them. Shuffle to the different games. There's 10. Okay, you won that one. Oh, there's one more. Okay, this one I don't like. You have to land on your feet or else you don't get points. Or I can like jump over to the iron window. You just gotta like jump behind the thing. Boom. Oh, some kind of broke. Don't do very well, but huh. Second, so one. Okay, next location. Already got a gold medal in this one. We got one new game. Actually, two new games. Pretty sure about that. Third. Where's that? I do like this one. It's just one of those like, games, just press the buttons or. And then when you do at a certain time, you add something. That was a good score. I'm losing by 1 point, but the only difference is I think the difficulty and location. I think you get a multiplier. Which one? My highest last time was 11, so. Oh, jeez. I guess I'll do like 2 arenas or something. So I'll this for a little bit. One thing I like is these games are like quick. It's not like Mario Party where it takes an hour. Or at least half hour to get through 10 turns. Why 7? That's the most I ever did. Okay, this one I'm not that good at. Just don't hit the jellyfish. This is a bunch of them. Jeez. Yeah, I got 10, but see, I missed a bunch. So subtract from the score. Okay, this one, okay, this crap again. No better than I did last time. It's all about timing and stuff. I can't get half of them. better than I did last time. Way back, 3 points. Okay, next one. This game, which sucks. You have to be like 100% accurate in the box. I beat these already, so I'm gonna show it for demonstration of the video. That was a really good score. That was my best ever did. I won that by 8, so silver. I think you have to get at least a medal. I'll see you guys next video where I do the jellyfishing one.